Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you and unboxing this for you. Car first aid kit. AA first aid kit actually, but yeah. So it's ideal for your car and home. So what this has inside, there are two versions. One is called the premium version, this is just the basic one. So the basic one comes with alcohol-free wipes, waterproof plasters, dressings, bandages, gloves, tape, scissors, safety pin, foil blanket, and guidance leaflet. And yeah, tells you how many you get as well. Yeah, it's a decent amount of stuff you get. It cost me about this one's called the soft pouch first aid kit black. This cost me £6.95, so £7 basically. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Don't need scissors for this. Bloody hell. I was thinking of not buying a first aid kit, but I thought might as well, might come in handy one day, either to me or somebody on the road, I don't know, one of my passengers. Don't really need that anymore. Get that away. So this the AA kit, comes in a nice carrying pouch, so you can just leave that in your boot and forget about it. It does have expiry date and some stuff. Okay, so we've got some clothespin, not sure why, but yeah, gives you some guidance on how to use stuff. Sterile wound cleansing wipes, got a couple of them. Low adherent dressing, double-sided. Yep. Got some vinyl gloves, powder free, that's nice. It's to stop infections, I guess. Large size. Ooh. Got 20 waterproof plasters in there of different sizes, which is good. Got some small scissors there, that's cute. Got an emergency thermal blanket, so you put this over the person and it will help keep them warm a bit, I guess, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool how much they fit in here. Micro porous tape, so it lets air breathe into it. That's good. That will be like for cuts and stuff. Non-woven triangular bandage. Yeah. We've got sterile first aid dressing and a large one as well. So yeah, that's the kit, and yeah, it'll come in very handy one day. And yeah, I might get the bigger version just to show you guys the premium version. It's pretty much the same, but you get a bit more stuff and double the sizes and stuff. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Let me know if you want me to unbox anything for you. Check out more of the car videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.